This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, I'm Justine, a SnapEd nutrition educator. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you how to save time, save money, and eat healthy by making these delicious apple wraps. Everything we eat and drink over time matters. And today I'll be showing you how a few simple ingredients can be turned into a quick, healthy, and nutritious breakfast. This is my plate. Today we're focusing on fruits, grains, and proteins. Choosing whole fruits is a better choice than some canned fruits in heavy syrup or fruit juice drinks. We get extra fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help our body stay feeling healthy. When we're choosing our grains, we're always going to try to choose whole grains. Things like brown rice, oatmeal, whole wheat bread, or whole grain tortillas. The extra fiber in those whole grain products helps our body stay feeling fuller longer. It can also help us stay feeling focused throughout the day. For our protein, we want to vary our protein routine throughout the week. That means no matter what kind of protein you choose, shake it up at every meal. By changing the different types of protein you eat, you also change the different nutrients that your body gets. So whether you like to eat eggs, nuts, seeds, canned or frozen or fresh fish, or lean grilled meats like chicken or turkey, they're all great options to choose during the week. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 large apple, 2 medium bananas, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and 2 whole grain tortillas. But feel free to make this wrap however you like it. You can use any fruit you like, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. If peanut butter is not your thing, you can always use sunflower seed butter, Greek yogurt, or even low-fat or fat-free cream cheese. Sometimes I like to add a little extra crunch and do a sprinkle of whole grain granola or pumpkin or sunflower seeds in there as well. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not start the whole grain way? These tasty apple wraps contain a ton of fiber, protein, and vitamins and minerals to keep you full throughout your day. They're super easy to put together for a quick, easy breakfast, even as a healthy snack or a lunch to make ahead of time. Now that my apple is washed, I'm going to cut it into small, diced pieces. Since I won't be cutting the outside of the banana, it isn't necessary to wash it. Everyone cuts their fruit a little differently. This is just how I cut mine. But feel free to use whatever technique works best for you, as long as you remember your knife safety. Use the claw technique when cutting in order to make sure your knife doesn't cut anything you don't want it to cut, like your fingers. Make every bite count by packing your wrap with as many fruits as you like. Again, you can use fresh, frozen, even canned or dried varieties. They're all great options to use in this recipe. Just be sure your canned fruit is packed in 100% fruit juice instead of heavy syrup. You want to avoid any extra added sugars that your body doesn't need. It's important that we choose foods and vegetables with less added sugar, saturated fats, and sodium, since consuming foods that are high in those nutrients can increase or worsen risks of certain diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even certain cancers. Once all your fruit is cut, place it aside. Apples and bananas are low-cost, whole fruits that can be found year-round in your local grocery store. They're chock full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is something our body doesn't digest, but is crucial for our body because it acts like a scrub brush and cleans our digestive system and helps keep us regular. Now that my fruit is all cut up and ready to go, we have our bananas in a bowl. We're going to add our 2 tablespoons of peanut butter to our bowl and get ready to mix and mash it together. This is a great job for little ones to help you with in the kitchen. They can use a fork, a spoon, or a potato masher to help make the mixture smooth. Peanut butter is a great source of protein. Proteins like peanut butter help our hair, skin, and nails grow. They're also important for muscle development and growth. Now that we've got our mashed banana mixed with our peanut butter, our awesome fruit, and our awesome protein, we're going to spread it on our whole grain tortilla. Now, choosing whole grains at the grocery store can be a little bit tricky. Some grains, like oatmeal, quinoa, or popcorn are already naturally whole grains, so it makes them easy to identify. But other grains like bread, rice, or pasta might be a little bit more challenging to identify a whole grain. I find it easiest to just look right at the ingredient label. The first ingredient should say 100% whole grain. You might see corn, you might see wheat. That's going to clue you in that the product you're choosing is in fact a whole grain. Now you might be wondering, why is it important to choose a whole grain? Well, when we choose a whole grain, we know that we get every part of the grain, all 3 parts. And all of those 3 parts provide us different vitamins, minerals, and fiber, just like fruits and vegetables, to help our bodies stay feeling healthy, to help our bodies stay feeling full, and to maintain digestive health and regularity. They give us the energy we need to do whatever we want with our day. So it's so important to try to make half of our grains whole grains each day. Now let's get back to making our wrap. So we've got our whole grain and we've got our banana peanut butter mixture. We're going to go ahead and spread a thin layer across our tortilla. That looks delicious. It's another great way that little hands can help with this. They could spread the banana peanut butter mixture on with a spoon or a butter knife or even a soft spatula. Now that we've got our banana peanut butter mixture on top of our whole grain tortilla, let's add some of those apples we chopped earlier. We left the skin on our apples for extra fiber and extra crunch. Now, let's just roll it up and eat it. One serving of this recipe is about half a wrap. So 1 wrap makes 2 servings. The entire recipe cost about $5.77 to make, making 1 serving just about $1.44 to make. Today we learned how to save time, save money, and eat healthy by using this delicious apple wrap recipe. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you find it delicious.
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.